from Hanover and he's currently promoting his latest single, Prayer. Mr. Mary is up next.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine. Take charge.
Father, a long time me a pray to you for your brighter day. Father, a long time me a pray to you for pave the way.
How you came by the name, Mr. Mary?
You know, say, to be honest, this might sound weird to you, but what I do, when imagery just come out, the Santa Claus imagery, I take advantage of it if you run an entire year on Facebook. Like literally everything when I post, I just use the imagery as a form of identity to say, boy, marry this, marry that, ready and marry. So the December, I think, 2016, I do a song named Mr. Mary Mary. On the, I think, a Kirk Riley rhythm. Yeah, so it hit underground in Hanover, but it never surfaced, you know. So it become a part of the character.
How has the journey been for you?
It's been a whole lot, you know. I don't know, we come from Western Jamaica, in a place like Hanover where music not have the level of, you know, dominance there. Right now, just one studio right now, basically, the work one way in terms of studio, and that's out and production. The studio I work with right now. And them really cater for the majority of the artists them in Hanover and even Westmoreland too. Yeah, you have other producers down there, we are doing things. Big up you like 9 mil same way.
Father, a long time me a pray, and I hope say you hear me. Father, everything takes time. Me know you are gonna answer me.
How did music begin for you?
Well, I say rooted from downtown Westmoreland. Because even though I say Hanover, I'm born in a Westmoreland. So when we live at Westmoreland still, we live at Darling Street, and on the corner there we have a sound system near my iceberg. We used to push out every Friday and play music. So that's how I kind of get familiar with enough of the big songs them and the foundation artists them and the foundation sounds and the music and kind of fall in love with music. When I say in Westmoreland, but we start do it professionally or start record songs when we're in Hanover.
Do the much now, it's time to pick out the blessing. Every day to me is a lesson. Jah watch and a Jah guide and clear the path from all destruction.
What does Mr. Mary bring to the table musically?
Well, it's different in terms of my voice, you know. Everybody will really hear me say your voice different and the message, we try incorporate message in our music, no matter what we are singing about. Because we do a dimension of music, both the trap we have the road right now and then we have the original sound now where the kind of 90s authentic sound. One drop, you know.
Me a prayer for the world. God mankind a get crazy. Tell them soul them no learn. Then realize it not worth it.
We're promoting Prayer right now, which is a kind of flip to what really gave me the highlight from about July of last year, which is the Flip and Chop kind of trap song. And, you know, the pressure is kind of upon the kind of music right now. So we are show a level of versatility and diverse and just a boom and flip the script. We have a song named Prayer we are working right now.
Thanks for coming by. Good luck at the career now.
No problem, man. And nice to be in here, man.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
You can hear DJ Doing playing at Mecca nightclub on a weekly basis. But let's hear what makes him musical in this week's Mixmaster segment. This week we're here with DJ Doing. DJ Doing, what go on?
Yeah, I'm a family, everything.
Alright, don't know what to have you for our Mixmasters segment.
That is it.
Catch up with the DJ if you hear what go on. So,
Yeah, man.
my first question to you, where do you grow up? Where you come from?
Well, you know, say Portland. Yeah, a place named Bybrook. As a youth, in my community, I'm always just into music. You know, like a speaker there, or like a whole radio. My mother has a customer say I bring beer garbage in the yard and you know, get me like a cardboard box and build me like a thing and so music was just always a part of me. I always love music, but I just always love selecting. As a young selector, like back then, and like now I have more experience now and things. So back then like whenever I used to talk, whenever I used to use the microphone, put the microphone and I just mix because when I was thinking my voice, it was soft voice.
Yeah,
and I just like, boy, I sound like a girl, man. You see me I say?
Yeah,
so,
could I sing for you, girl?
Yeah, that too. Yeah. But you know, we have idol out there when I rate and I say, you know, someone be like a person and thing. Yeah, so.
Name one. Who are some of those idols?
Alright then. You see, when it come on to like sound killing, I always Ricky Trooper.
Yeah. Legend.
Legend. I always admire Ricky Trooper. So when you talk about like juggling now you have like all Mataran can juggle.
Yeah.
You understand? I have Firelinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I rate Firelinks.
What would you say makes DJ Doing stand out amongst all the other selectors?
Most party I'm gonna play, I always start the event them. I set the event them. You understand? So sometimes when the other selector them come, easy peasy, smooth grooving for them. You understand?
Yeah.
I know so if you start a party and build a party, that's the hardest part.
Real.
You understand?
Real
So
thing.
them thing they help build my skill and my character. If you know say anytime you get the party anyway, I'm gonna cool up and I'm gonna seize up. You understand? So that meetings that make me stand out.
Would you say that you prefer the early jugglings as opposed to the late jugglings then?
Alright, well, you see because I play the early juggling so often, but I say I prefer it more than the latter part of the party.
So how you read a crowd?
Alright, alright then. If me try reach an event early, all if I know me I go play first, I try reach an event early, and then now I look and see other selectors I play, and then I look how the crowd react to what him a play.
Yeah.
You understand? So see if the crowd now react to what him a play or what him a say, me start think and say, alright then, I'm go to segment there, them not feel that, I'm go to say them not feel that. So I go to segment then.
Are you a resident DJ anywhere at all?
Well, currently, yeah. I'm a resident DJ for Triple Thursday and Champagne Saturday. I want to like promote myself more, like get my name out there more because I'm very weak on social media. You understand? So I try put in some work on social media.
Do some branding, do some marketing and everything.
Right. And practice for my skills, my home. Always on my laptop like a book.
Yeah.
Yeah. Practicing new ways to juggle, different ways to juggle.
DJ Doing, thank you for passing
Yeah,
through this week's Mixmaster segment.
Yeah, man.
It was a
Yeah,
pleasure, and the Pree Family wish you all the best and
Yeah,
the
man.
endeavors.
Yeah,
You see
man.
it?
Yeah.
After the break, we are chat go down in a Ochi Town for Pan the Fire segment. Don't move, so far out.